9 elements of digital citizenship. Digital access. Technology users need to be aware that not everyone has the same opportunities when it comes to technology. Digital commerce. Technology users need to understand that a large share of market economy is being done electronically. Digital communication. One of the significant chances within the digital revolution is a person's ability to communicate with other people. Digital literacy. While schools have made great progress in the area of technology infusion, much remains to be done. Digital etiquette. Technology users often see this area as one of the most pressing problems when dealing with digital citizenship. Digital law. Digital law deals with the ethics of technology within a society. Digital rights and responsibilities. Just as in the American Constitution where there is a Bill of Rights, there is a basic set of rights extended to every digital citizen. Digital health and wellness. Eye safety, repetitive stress syndrome, and sound ergonomic practices are issues that need to be addressed in a new technological world. Digital security, self-protection. In any society, there are individuals who steal, deface, or distract other people.